Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. We got Jake, I'm Robbie. Today we have a classic cocktail for you. Jake, what are we making today?
We're making a Mai Tai.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, one of the most classic rum cocktails there is.
Yeah, after a year of making videos, we're finally getting to a Mai Tai. It's amazing.
Yeah.
We're dressed for the occasion too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so for this drink, you will need the following items. You will need our silver Carolina Rum, our Queen Charlotte's Reserve Carolina Rum, some limes, some orange liqueur, and some Orgeat. All right, so let's get started. What's step one?
Step one is we're going to put 1.5 ounces of the silver rum into our glasses.
Tom Cruise. 1.5 ounces?
1.5, yeah.
Ooh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to short you there. Oh, that's me.
That's you.
Tom Cruise. All right, got our silver rum in there.
All right. Next, we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and we're going to use our lime squeezer, which is going to appear from off camera magically.
I think it's that floating cabinet right there.
Is it? Yes, I believe it is somewhere.
Oh no, it's over here.
Yes. So
oh, there
from
it
the
is.
ether appears the lime squeezer. I'm going to do roughly 1/2 ounce per person. There it is.
Cool. All right, so we've got our silver rum in there.
Yep.
We've got our limes
juice,
in there.
yep.
What's next?
Next, we're going to do the 1/2 ounce of the orange liqueur. Just any orange liqueur you want. Could be triple sec, could be Cointreau, could be whatever you find in the liquor store. Some sort of orange liqueur is what you need.
Cool.
Yeah.
Then what?
Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce each of the Orgeat or Amaretto if you choose to have a slightly more alcoholic version. Cheater. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Just gonna guesstimate here. I like estimating. So. Yeah. A little more. There we go. All right. And then last but not least, we're going to float 3/4 of an ounce or a little bit of the dark rum on top. Best way to do that is to put your bar spoon right above, pour it into, and then off of the bar spoon and just kind of layer it on top. This allows you to, when you drink the cocktail, to drink through the dark rum. It's just a little technique you use to spruce up your cocktails.
Looks good, and that's it, right? Let's throw some garnish on this thing.
Yeah, garnish, absolutely. A lime wedge. Looks great. All right.
All right, guys, hope you like this video on our classic recipe Mai Tai. The description and recipe and stuff like that will be in the description below, along with links to our website and social media. You can also come out here and take a tour, check out all of our stuff, and taste our rums and see how we make it. And don't forget to see us in your local liquor store. Cheers, and thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy. Inappropriate work talk. Said me never.
You should do just the,
But then it's in your face.
Yeah,
It's
well.
super annoying.
Okay, so you just sit over here.
I don't like that side.
No.
This is my good side.
All right, well, we'll figure it out. Okay.
Interesting.
Yes.
What time is it, Pinky?
Beer 30.
No, it's time to take over the world.
Rum 30.
That works for
It's time. It's time to take over the world. Well, not.
today's discussion in today's Rum Talks with
yes.
Jake and Robbie.
Why? 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 Why?